Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, monsoon season has started. Rainy season gives us relief from hot summers. But at the same time, humidity, stagnation of water invites number of diseases. Many microorganisms, bacteria, viruses and mosquitoes multiply in this season, and thus increasing the risk of infection. Mosquito-borne diseases are most commonly seen in this season, like malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Friends, these diseases produce severe form of symptoms. And so friends, on that note, let's see today the homeopathic medicine for dengue fever. Friends, we will be seeing one by one each medicine with its indication that will help us to prescribe homeopathic medicine in dengue fever. Friends, on the basis of symptom similarity, when these medicines are given, this medicine prevents the further complication and progress of disease. Also, it helps in fast recovery of patient. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, or if you are new to our channel, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select the option all so that you will be get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homeopathy the Healing Power. Like this video and share this video with your near and dear ones. So let's get started. Friends, dengue is an acute viral infection which is transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Dengue fever has two peaks, with some diagnostic symptoms are as follows. In dengue fever, there will be severe headache, pain around retroorbital region. There is severe muscle pain and joint pain. Back pain is also seen. Pain in long bones is also important indication of dengue. Reduce in platelet count and WBC count are the most important diagnostic symptoms of dengue. Some important laboratory investigation has to be done in dengue fever, and among which CBC is most important. CBC is nothing but complete blood count, in which low WBC and low platelet count can be seen. Hematocrit levels are also measured in dengue fever, and about 20% of increased levels are seen in dengue fever. Along with that, virus isolation, that is nothing but the detection of virus, is also carried out. Friends, in homeopathy we have number of medicines for fever which work effectively, and there are special medicines which are useful in dengue fever also. Friends, we have selected most important, highly indicated and most frequently used homeopathic medicine in dengue fever. So friends, let's see one by one in detail the indications of homeopathic medicines. Starting first with Bryonia. Bryonia is most important medicine for fever. In Bryonia, all the pains like muscle pain and joint pain will be worse by every single movement. Even sound will also aggravate the pain in the body, and so patient will lie quiet and still on the bed because every movement aggravates the pain. There will be a thirst for cold water or for cold fluid. All the pains and headaches will be better by lying down, by pressure, and they all will be worse by single movement. Patient will be irritable and anxious during fever. Also, during fever, patient will talk about business and daily routine. One most important keynote of Bryonia will be seen is that Bryonia patient will constantly say that he wants to go home. During fever, patient will constantly say that he wants to go home. The next homeopathic medicine is Eupatorium perfoliatum. In Eupatorium, patient will constantly complain of intense pain in limbs and in back, and this pain will be described by patient as if the bones were broken. There will be severe pain in all the bones and soreness feeling in muscles. patient will feel that bones are broken or dislocated, or they would break during pain. There will be bursting type of headache. Shivering type of chill is generally seen, and this chill is seen especially in back. The chill generally begins at 7 to 9 am. There will be unsatisfied desire to drink water before and during chill. This is the keynote of this medicine. The soreness is felt all over the body, and especially the soreness is felt around eyeballs. Here, vomiting of bile is also seen during fever. The next homeopathic medicine is gelsemium. In gelsemium, heaviness of all body parts is seen. There will be heaviness and tiredness of all body parts. Heaviness of head, heaviness of eyelids, heaviness of limbs, everywhere heaviness is seen. Along with that, patient will feel very much drowsy and dull during fever. In gelsemium, the onset of fever is very slow. In gelsemium, there will be bursting type of headache seen in fever. This headache starts from neck over head to eyes till forehead, and this bursting type of headache is relieved after profuse urination. There is complete absence of thirst during fever. This is also the important symptom of gelsemium. Chills are seen in back. Chills and heat chase one another. This is also the important symptom of gelsemium during fever. The next important medicine in dengue fever is Rus toxicodendron, that is nothing but Rus tox. In Rus tox, there is stiffness and lameness and bruised feeling all over the body during fever. There will be severe joint pain and muscle pain during fever, and this joint pain and muscle pain will be relieved by continuous moving. So during fever, patient will constantly move from here and there. That means restlessness and uneasiness feeling drives the patient to move. Urticarial rash and constant teasing cough is seen during fever. During fever, patient is very much anxious and fearful, and all these complaints are worse at night. During fever, a typical mental symptom of Rus tox is seen, and that is patient will feel that he will be poisoned. Along with that, restlessness and exhaustion is also seen. Friends, we have already discussed Rus toxicodendron visual drug picture on our YouTube channel. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. To get a detailed knowledge of Rus tox, please do watch this video. So friends, these are the important medicine for dengue fever. If symptom similarity matches, other medicines can also be added. We have taken the most important and highly indicated medicine. So friends, like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.